taking our own sweet time today. We woke up around 7:30 and moseyed around, had some breakfast, and doing some stretching. I'm doing some calf stretching. Methodist Church.
Oh, I thought it was a Baptist church.
Baptist Church is mostly in the. And there's a cafe there. Glacier Edge
General
Cafe,
store.
General store. And that's the motel.
Many glaciers to the right. There's the sign, Booby, if you want to catch it.
Oh yeah, many glaciers right here. So yeah, what is that? That's the cafe.
I guess this is it.
Yeah, that is it.
I was looking at the road and going, hold on.
So this is the mini glacier road. No gas.
We got plenty of gas. Pretty road.
Yeah, beautiful. See, the national
You
park.
got aspens on the sides of it. Basically, we were going to go into Many Glacier area. We got turned around because they were at capacity. So now on the way back out of here, we saw a nice little meadow and there's a river that comes out of here. There's a dam just up the road from us. So we're going to walk down and make a call.
This is bear poop.
No, that's concrete, honey.
It's not gone. Smell bear.
That's me, honey. I didn't have a shower yesterday. More like what we were going for, a little look like that. Booby! All right, we're gonna have a
Sitting in a field of bear poop.
Here's the Glacier National Park. You're getting kicked out.
Of many glaciers, right?
Of many glaciers.
This is just a cloud area. Where are we?
Oh, well, we're at St. Mary's Lake, and we're hanging out waiting that we're going to take a boat ride and go out there. Right now, we're just killing a little time because everything's really, it was busy, a lot of people, you know, so we had to we got the last two spots on the 4 o'clock, and, you know, so we just made it under the wire. How you doing? You got a nice view behind you. That's quite a nice scene. Cruising along on St. Mary Lake.
Still be on the water. So during this time period, there was a massive, almost 50 miles ahead of us to back where the lake is. Usually dump it just inches away from each other and have water go to 40 different watersheds. So this water all goes all the way to the Saskatchewan eventually, all the way to Hudson Bay.
It's on the rocks really good, doesn't it?
Yeah, he does.
They're just waving.
Pretty rough. Different colors. Look at this. We're getting into the Many Glacier spot here. Is that beautiful or what? Look at this. I got it in my pocket. I'll get you in the background, in the wall. Her legs are killing her from the time. Here, babe, I'll help you.
Ow!
Hurts? Wow. Look at that. That's so that water meanders down through over there. Oh, the Elk Hill looks like it's there. I don't know what that is. It's nice. Got hit with some greasy oil snuff. Did that guy come right behind me or where did he disappear?